Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you find your deleted messages. Like someone sent you some message, but before you seen the message they have been deleted the message. So how can you find the message? You can see here in my messenger. From my other ID, I sent a message, but then I unsent the message. So you can see here the message is vanished. So I will show you how can you see a message. If you have the app, then you will can see the message if someone deleted or unsend the message after send in your messenger. So it's only work if your apps available in your phone before then it will be work. So if you now install the app, then it will be work after some time or some days. Someone if send a message and unsend the message, that's time you will can find the message. So for getting the app, you have to go Play Store. You can see here my Play Store. So from Play Store, you have to search here NOTIS Notisave. You can see here Notisave. You have to simply search it. Then you have to download the app. But I downloaded the app, so I have to simply open the app. After opening the app, so it's the important. If you miss any part of the video, then you can fail to recover your message or see your message. So it's important, so see the full video step by step. So next you have to click here next, and then again next. Then you have to click here allow access to notification. So simply have to click here. Then you have to click here next. Then you will can see here Notisave. You have to click on it. It can be allow, and you have to click on allow. Then you have to come back from here, and you have to click here allow. Then it's taking time for loading. So after loading, you will can see here option next. Then here you have to click, it's very important. You can see here all the thing. So you have to click here all apps. So if you click all apps, then it will be fine. Then it will be start. Then you have to click again next. Then you will can see here your messenger. Then if it's click or on, then it's fine. If it's off, then you have to click on. And Notisave also you have to click on. So then you have to come back again. After that you have to click here on the tick. Then it will become perfect, and you have to click on tick. You can see it's all read, no notification new. So after you have to simply come back in your home page. Then I will show you doing by sending a message from my this account to that account. You can see here I am sending a message hi. You can see here I send a message hi. You can see here in this message box. You can see here I send a message hi. Then I will unsend the message. You can see from here I unsend delete for everyone. So delete or unsend. Then you will can see here here also the message have been unsent. Then you have to go simply your Notisave app. From Notisave app you will can see here 43 seconds ago MD Joinal Abedin send a message hi. So this all about the video. That's way you can read your unsent message. And if you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask in my comment box, and also I will provided my Facebook ID links in description. You can ask through the Facebook. Thank you.